Go ahead, go ahead.
Crucial moments, just like times were appointed. Just remember I was raised like a warrior. I'ma say there's a time to come. I'ma say that's enough with the breadcrumbs. I'ma be proud, started from the underground, and I'ma take that shit, go upward. Moving in, be straight, gotta move on edge, gotta breathe, happy boy, I'ma need, hit the button now, hurry up, they're blowing off with the noise, cringing on the fact annoyed. Gonna take a step back for a moment, focus on the path where I'm going, wanna know shit, can't figure what the hell it is, that someone has a plot, a ploy. Seek destroy, thinking I'ma cut the noise, not like I had a choice, never had a choice.
I've been sitting in the front seat, checking the rear view.
Oh shit,
I know it's crazy, I'm paranoid, making you think all those crazy thoughts. I hear you, I feel ya,
no doubt.
I know it makes me paranoid.
Been sitting in that front seat, just checking out that rear view. My mentality hungry, I'm paranoid, gon' pull through. My paranoia taking over, I'm alone inside my brain. My paranoia taking over, overblown, this is insane. Been sitting in that front seat, just checking out that rear view. My mentality hungry, I'm paranoid, gon' pull through. My paranoia taking over, I'm alone inside my brain. My paranoia taking over, overblown, this is insane. Yeah, here it comes, I'm never gonna lie down. Give me a blocker, what to go and bite down. I've always been known to go and fight clowns. All of my mind's out, yeah, this is right now. Yeah, always been a little crazy, never gonna faze me, I'm insane. Got a couple wires crossed up in my brain, and it's made me sick, but I can't complain. I'm breaking chains still, paranoia's got me on the drop. I'm switching lanes still, shoulder checking but still get stopped. Been having fights like every night, always argue with myself. Every morning when I wake up, gotta go and check on my mental health. It may be there, it may not, sometimes it likes to vacate, but I need to go and come back quick, gotta go and chase that payday. My nerves, they make my heart rate rise. My blood pressure so high, my eyes are shot, my throat is dry. Been sitting in that front seat, just checking out that rear view. My mentality hungry, I'm paranoid, gon' pull through. My paranoia taking over, I'm alone inside my brain. My paranoia taking over, overblown, this is insane. Been sitting in that front seat, just checking out that rear view. My mentality hungry, I'm paranoid, gon' pull through. My paranoia taking over, I'm alone inside my brain. My paranoia taking over, overblown, this is insane.
I've been sitting in the front seat,
My paranoia,
I know it's crazy,
inside my brain, this is insane. Yeah, I've always had a dream that I'm never waking up. I took a wrong path, but that was my fate, so what? I made a new one, that's how I do one. It's been a little different since I was 2-1. Yeah, I used to think that I'd never make it this far in life. Balls in a vice, never know the outcome, roll the dice. A little random, the way the people come and go. You never know when the highs are gonna be the lows. I'm on a path that I can't get off of. I catch a buzz like a fiend when he's taking those drugs. This loyal people made me into a man. They made me understand the plan, but never a fan. Nah, I did it my way, I did what's best. The blood, the sweat, the tears that put an S on my chest. The people that betrayed me also taught me the way. I'm heading in the right direction at the end of the day. Every time I ask myself who's to blame, I did it for myself, I caused all the pain. And every time I ask myself who betrayed, I don't know what to say. I've always had a sixth sense, it tingles when I feel it. Betrayals in the cards like the devil was the dealer. Every soul I've ever met has got a demon, never sleeping. I live my life better when I'm dreaming. I've always had a sixth sense, it tingles when I feel it. Betrayals in the cards like the devil was the dealer. Every soul I've ever met has got a demon, never sleeping. I live my life better when I'm dreaming.
Yo, there will be moments that we gotta go our separate ways. Ain't nothing like the pain when you're in love and then you separate. Severed ties are what can devastate. I found myself in hell, at least that's how it felt. I used to dwell upon my pain, but now I'm moving on. Inside my heart is grooving as I move along. We as people, we are meant for making moves. It's time for me to level up, I'll make it new. Breaking through, break it free from the betrayal. There will always be a snake up in the grass who want your soul to fail. No matter what the drama, know my soul prevail. Captain of the ship, but I am not for sale. I've been stabbed in the back and wanted my revenge, but now I'm cool, calm, collected when the record spins. Once your heart is broken, it can never be whole. That kind of pain, it'll swallow your entire soul. Let it go.
And every time I ask myself who betrayed, I don't know what to say. I've always had a sixth sense, it tingles when I feel it. Betrayals in the cards like the devil was the dealer. Every soul I've ever met has got a demon, never sleeping. I live my life better when I'm dreaming. I've always had a sixth sense, it tingles when I feel it. Betrayals in the cards like the devil was the dealer. Every soul I've ever met has got a demon, never sleeping. I live my life better when I'm dreaming. Betrayals in the cards like the devil was the dealer. Devil was the dealer. Devil was the dealer. Devil was the dealer. Devil was the dealer.
Go ahead, go ahead. Well, just finished up Vancouver Coffee and Cars, my very first one. it was a great time, great turnout, lots of cars for it being winter or spring here. It's my car's reading plus 13 right now. Beautiful day. Yeah, there's so many nice vehicles, it's almost mind-blowing. And just for, say, a winter event, I guess you can say, but great turnout. My favorite's probably the Mustang on Air Ride. That thing's running a Gen 3, well, my one of two favorites. It's a Gen 3 Coyote swap, T56 Magnum, Ford 9-inch rear end on Air Ride. That one was, he is gonna paint it. It's in bare metal. The build, he's a builder. Like, obviously they're just finishing up the build on it. I shouldn't say he's a builder. I can't tell you who built that. But I do know the purple vehicle, the Midnight Purple, he, with the twin turbo wide body, that one is, he built that vehicle from the ground up himself. I actually met the owner, super nice guy. Definitely gonna go check out that one again. He has a shop here in town, so really cool guy to meet. It's nice going out to these events and socializing with like-minded individuals, right? I don't have any friends here, zero. I kind of just stick to myself, so it's nice to go out and meet guys with shops and like-minded individuals. But I'm gonna stop blabbering on. I'm definitely gonna hit up Coffee and Cars any chance I get now. And so if you like certain vehicles, like it. If you comment what you think on each vehicle, comment on what you say, a personal favorite, I don't know, it doesn't matter. It really helps with the morale on the channel. So again, thanks everybody for tuning in. If you stayed tuned in this far, I appreciate it a lot. Have yourself a good rest of your weekend and have yourself a good week. Stay safe. That's it for now. Have a good one.